As technology evolves, so do the skills developers need to stay competitive. Let's explore the most in-demand skills for developers in 2024. 1. Cloud computing. With the rise of AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, cloud computing skills are essential. Companies are moving their infrastructure to the cloud, so developers who can build and manage cloud-based apps are highly valuable. 2. Cybersecurity. Cyber threats are on the rise, making cybersecurity expertise critical. Understanding how to secure code, manage encryption, and prevent vulnerabilities is a key skill in 2024. 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning are transforming industries. Developers with knowledge of AI algorithms, machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, and tools like PyTorch will be leading innovation. 4. DevOps. DevOps continues to bridge development and operations. Tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and CI/CD pipelines streamline workflows, making DevOps a vital skill for developers. 5. JavaScript frameworks. JavaScript remains crucial for web development. Frameworks like React, Vue.js, and Next.js help build responsive apps quickly and efficiently, making them essential for developers.